Hi guys, my name is Marlen and today we're going to be making mini tacos or street tacos. If you want to learn, then keep on watching. For the ingredients, you're going to need longaniza, bistec or milanesa, consomé de pollo. The seasoning of your choice, onion, avocado, garlic clove, tomato, chile serrano, limones, oranges, cebollitas cambray, and cilantro. So the first thing we're gonna do is cut up our meat, but make sure that you disinfect it first. So después de que haya picado la carne, la vamos a poner en un contenedor para poder marinarla. Okay, so for the marinating, I'm gonna put onion, lime, and orange. Para el marinado de la carne, yo le pongo limones, naranjas, y cebolla. And I'm gonna add a little bit of seasoning. Once we have marinated our meat, we're gonna leave it to rest at room temperature, and we're gonna start chopping everything for our salsa. I'm gonna chop some tomatoes. So after you chop everything up, you're gonna place it on your comal. So our meat has been marinating already for a couple of minutes, and now it's ready to go on a pan with some oil. So I'm gonna leave the meat cooking on medium high, and I'm just gonna cover it. The meat has been cooking for a couple of minutes, and I took off the lid, and I want all of the juices to evaporate. Y ya cuando se evapore el agua, voy a dejar que se dore bien la carne para poner la longaniza. If you're new to our channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. So now that the juices have evaporated, I'm gonna add a little bit of more seasoning. If you don't have seasoning, you can just add salt. Now that the bistec is cooked, I'm gonna start adding in the longaniza. You can do this in a separate pan if you want, but I don't do it just so I won't have a lot of dishes. The longaniza is almost ready. If you like it soft, because I know some people do, you can leave it like that, but I want mine a little bit cooked. Ya se terminó de tatemar todo lo que tenemos en el comal, y en el molcajete metí la cebolla y el ajo. Lo voy a empezar a moler. Ya que molí el ajo y la cebolla, voy a meter los chiles serranos. And now it's ready for the tomatoes. So ya terminé de moler la salsa. Si usted la quiere más molida, la muele más, pero a mí me gusta chunky. If you blend your sauce in the blender, it's gonna be more liquidy, but I like mine chunky, so I just leave it like that. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of consomé de pollo. And I have half of an avocado that I'm gonna cut into little squares. If you don't like avocado, then just leave it out. You don't have to add it. And it goes the same with onion and all of that. If you don't like it, just don't add it. It's fine. And I'm gonna add a little bit of cilantro. Now that you have your salsa, go ahead and taste it. So now the longaniza is cooked, and I'm gonna get 2 tortillas and just put it on top of the meat. That way the tortillas can soak up the flavor. And then after that, we're gonna put the tortillas on the comal so they can finish cooking. And then they'll be ready to put on the comal. If you wanna add oil, more oil to your tortilla, you can. And I'm gonna do some de bistec and some longaniza. I'm gonna put some of these cebollita. A little bit of onion. And let's put our salsa. Let's mix it. And some limes. So now that our food is ready, let's go call our husbands. Babe, ya arrímate. So no eating for you. Is it good? How many stars do you give me out of 5?
Let me finish this.
Okay. 10 stars? You did good then.